Safai. I'm a registered dietitian, and I'm going to talk to you today about making sugar-free punch for those of you who have diabetes and might want some sugar-free drink. Although it's good for people who don't have diabetes too. So whatever the case, we're going to show you how to make sugar-free. Now, traditionally, punch has sugar in it. You can use a sugar-free base of your punch, but then usually people add juice to it, and again that's going to increase the carbs that it has. But today we're just going to use 3 simple ingredients, actually 4 if you count 2 different kinds of fruit. So I'm going to get a sugar-free punch flavored drink mix, and I'm only going to use about half of it in my pitcher. I'm going to fill it up half with water. So we've got half of it filled with sugar-free punch. I'm going to take a lemon lime soda, and it can be any kind of lemon lime soda, and I'm going to fill the rest of it with this soda. This again is sugar-free. Get that rich red color. Oh, it smells good. Give it a little stir. And it's got that very bright, vibrant color. And then I'm going to add some orange slices to give it a little orange zest. You can do this in a punch bowl, or you can do it in a pitcher like we're doing it right now. I'm also adding some strawberries. So there you have a delicious looking red punch. And again, it's sugar-free. Enjoy.